Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can to view Snapchat message history, since most people like facing the issue of losing messages when they've been opened, so simply start by opening Snapchat, then go on chats, and now as you can see we have our chats lists, and for example let's open a random chat, and now as you can see our messages has disappeared, and most of my conversation has been lost. So I'm going to show you how you can have them seen however you want, so simply open a random chat, and then as you can see we have this button, so click on it. And now as you can see it was set to delete conversations after it's been opened, so simply turn it off and go on after 24 hours of viewing, then click on it, and as you can see the settings has changed, so from now on all the messages will be kept in chat for as long as you want. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.